Welcome to Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. When you enter Abu Dhabi's Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, you will understand why it is such a special place. Here, people from all walks of life come together to take in the architecture's beauty and gain a deeper understanding of religion and culture in the United Arab Emirates. The mosque is one of the world's largest and was the vision of Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founding father of the UAE. He envisaged the creation of a welcoming and cultural haven that inspires people from all backgrounds. Even the construction was a cultural collaboration. The grand structure was designed and built by skilled teams from all over the world, including 1,300 female artisans who had knotted the main prayers hall's carpet, the world's largest. On your journey through the marbled halls, you'll see one-of-a-kind treasures, including gold-plated Swarovski chandeliers, the courtyard's vast marble mosaic artwork, and reflective pools that mirror some of the many amethyst and jasper embedded columns. When you're outside, look up to see the mosque's four stunning minarets that proudly stand at 106 meters. BAPS Hindu Mandir in Abu Dhabi was inspired by Pramukh Swami Maharaj vision during a 1997 visit to Sharjah, where he foresaw a temple that would unite a diverse cultures and religions. In August 2015, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, generously allocated land for the temple, which was enthusiastically supported by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a symbol of peace and inclusivity. The project's significant milestones included the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding on the 10th of February 2018 and the foundation stone consecration on 11th of February 2018. The official foundation laying ceremony took place on the 20th of April 2019, attended by the prominent figures from both India and the UAE, reinforcing the temple's role as a bridge of friendship between the two nations. Deities. The Babs Hindu Mandir in Abu Dhabi features 7 shrines, each housing distinct sacred images or murtis. The central shrine contains the marble murtis of Swaminarayan and Gunatitatan Swami, revered as Akshar Purushottam Maharaj. And nearby to the place where we stayed is the Abu Dhabi Mall. In the morning, we took a taxi and we've been to SeaWorld, the world's largest indoor marine life theme park in Yas Island. But sad to say, we need to stay there throughout the day. We don't have enough time, and also the price of the ticket is less than 400 dirham each, so we didn't enter. But it's a very nice place, seeing the Yas Island. And then we went to Jubail Mangrove Park. It is a natural oasis in the heart of Abu Dhabi. You can take a leisurely stroll along the boardwalks that have been built through the mangroves to experience the unspoiled landscape of the UAE. Discover Qasr Al Watan. Experience more than a palace, a testament to the UAE's rich heritage and visionary spirit. Qasr Al Watan is more than an imposing royal palace in Abu Dhabi. It is a unique testament to the spirit of the United Arab Emirates people and its leaders. The presidential palace invites the world to share a culture, knowledge, and inspiring journey. Qasr Al Watan offers an enriching interactive journey in a contemporary setting that reveals and reflects on governance, knowledge, and craftsmanship. Majestic and stunning, immersive and moving, a visit to the presidential palace of the Emirates grants an illuminating view of the region's rich heritage and bright future. Qasr Al Watan, Palace of the Nation, is the presidential palace of the United Arab Emirates located in Abu Dhabi. The palace stands as a symbol of governance, functioning as a venue for political meetings, both diplomatic state receptions and Council of Ministers meeting, as well as a destination for visitors and tourists. It is not a residential space. And of course, these are our sumptuous meal outside the Abu Dhabi Mall. This is a famous restaurant of Nepali, Indian, and Filipino cuisine.